Get help finding lost devices and items, and share your location with friends and family right from your wrist using Find My on Apple Watch and watchOS 8. We'll show you how to use the Find Devices app and Find Items app to help locate things like a lost iPhone, iPad, or an item with an AirTag attached. We'll also show you how to use the Find People app to share your location with others. Let's start with Find Devices and Find Items. When you're signed in to your iPhone with your Apple ID and have Find My enabled, it will be automatically set up on your Apple Watch. On your home screen, you'll see the Find Devices, Find Items, and Find People apps. You can get help locating a missing item, like a wallet with an AirTag attached, in Find Items. Or, for help finding a device, open Find Devices, select a device, and then scroll down to view your options. With Notify when left behind turned on, you'll get a notification on your Apple Watch if you wander too far from your device. If you've lost your device and think it's nearby, tap Play Sound, and you'll hear this chime. You can also tap Directions to see your device on a map if you want to head to its last known location. If it's far away or in an unknown location, you can turn on Lost Mode, which remotely locks the device with your passcode and lets you display a message about how to contact you if it's found. The device must be connected to the internet to turn on Lost Mode. With Find People on Apple Watch, you can share your location with friends and family. Open Find People from your home screen. Here, you'll see friends and family that you're sharing your location with. Scroll down and tap Share My Location. To find a contact, you can either tap the microphone to use dictation, tap the number pad to enter a phone number, or tap the Contacts button and select the contact you'd like to share your location with. Choose how long to share your location for. Your friend will be notified that you're sharing your location with them and can choose to share theirs back with you. And that's how you can use Find My on your Apple Watch to keep track of important things and stay connected with friends and family. To learn more about how to use your Apple Watch, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel, or click another video to keep watching.